guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this little DIY. Yeah, and this is like the only time that I'm going to be doing a DIY because I don't really like DIYs, because sometimes some of the DIYs that I see online, they don't work and it's just garbage. But this DIY is what I usually do whenever I want to like exfoliate my lips, because my lips are dry. I don't know why they get so dry easily, but I always have to be like moisturizing my lips. And sometimes my lips, because when it's dry I always play with it, so I always use my teeth and like strip off the extra skin. But I don't know, maybe because it's dry, I just want it to be nice and smooth, so I get into this dirty habit of using my teeth to just strip off the extra, the little skinny thing that's on top, scaly thing that's on top, but it's not good. So I've decided to, scrub my lips, and I've been doing this for quite some time. I don't do it every week. I do it like maybe twice a week, and sometimes if my lips are really dry, I do it like maybe 3 times. But my lips are usually nice and hydrated because I love wearing gloss, because they keep my lips really hydrated, because my lips, they just get really dry. And sometimes, like whenever I feel like sad, my lips are dry. You know what I'm saying? So if you see me with dry cracky lips, it's one, because I'm tired, because I'm sad, or maybe because I'm a little bit stressed. But whenever you see me with hydrated lips, it's because I'm happy and life is good. Okay? But I have gotten into the habit of, really hydrating my lips and also exfoliating the dead skin. Okay? So this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing this little DIY. As you can see, my lips are looking nice and juicy and plump, and it's not because of the lip gloss, it's because of actually scrubbing my lips, because you can put gloss over crusty lips, you know what I'm saying? And they will not give you this result. Alright, so if you want to see what I do, continue watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so this is our finished lip, or lips. This is my finished lips, yeah, after the shea butter and sugar scrub. And yeah, this is really nice, and it gets my lips plump and nice, so nice and juicy. I do this for like 1 week, not like every day in the week, like every other day. All right, and if you have crusty lips, it will exfoliate it. And I have to do this like very often because I have really dry lips, like, period. So my lips are usually, if I don't do anything to my lips or moisturize and all of that, it looks crusty. So I like to do this little scrub thingy, and yeah, pretty good. You have to take care of your skin, but also your lips, because your skin can't be popping and your lips are like dry and crusty. So this is what we do to get your lips nice. And yeah, and I just made this little scrub thingy, so I'll just put it in the fridge and maybe use it on my feet, or I use it on my hands. And yeah, this is a good like DIY, and I wouldn't recommend like storing this like for months or whatever, because I don't even think it's if it's safe. I don't know, but like sugar is safe. Shea butter can last long, and I put some tea tree oil in it, so it should help to preserve it. Plus the fridge is going to keep it cool, so it should last you like a week or so. Yeah, but you don't have to make a lot, because it's too easy to make, and you don't need to use a lot. It's pretty simple to make, so I would say like just make something that you can use right away, and maybe use the other day or the day after the other day. Yeah, but this is a nice little DIY. And as you can see, this is a candle jar. This is the jar that the candle came in, so I just cleaned it and I repurposed this little jar because this is recyclable. All right, so this is what we made with it. Okay, yeah, so this is recyclable, so this is what we did with it. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget guys to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye.